want to make sure that you guys are out of harm's way.
Out of harm's way? What are you asking to do exactly?
It's no secret, well, not with me, that you guys are a little bit unsettled currently and moving from place to place. I want to put you in a place where you are more comfortable and a little bit more settled. So my intention is for you to take a vacation.
And where's this vacation? Underground? Outer space? Under the ocean? Off the planet?
I don't know how much Carlton has leveled with you and how much of his history he has shared, but he's no saint. And to be honest with you, if a lot of those things should come to light, he could spend some time in jail, years, to be honest. So I just want to ensure that you're not in the country at this point, so that I am able to fix things so that you guys can come back to a well polished environment.
You know, here's something else, Marcus Wallace. So, in order to paint a perfect picture politically, you want to take your brother out of the country? For what? So he can look like the black sheep and you can come in and look like the savior?
Absolutely not. This is about making sure that my brother is safe.
You don't need to make sure Carlton is safe. Carlton has been doing that.
With a gunshot wound in his leg, which could have easily been in his head, because he was taking care of you.
Oh, so now we're getting to the meat of the matter. So all of this that has been happening is because of me.
Carlton is no saint, and neither are you. I want you to understand that before you came into Carlton's life, the only thing he had to deal with in his line of business is some low-life thugs trying to extort him, trying to take his business. Trivial stuff. Now, because of you, my brother is on the he's in hiding because super agents are after him, persons with military training of that in the movies. So yes, I think he needs to be protected.
You are going to make sure he's protected. You know, you said that like twice. So he's the only one that needs protection. Is that what you're getting at?
Clearly, that's not the case. And I understand that you're riled up and I'm not your favorite person. But of course, by extension, you'll be protected too. This is why I'm making the offer that I'm making. I just need it to be logical right now.
Here's my logic. Carlton nor I need your protection right now. So I'd appreciate if you go about it like a political way and call it a day, okay?
I see the emotions of Carlton has rubbed off on you.
Yeah, that's what happens when two people are in sync.
You are aware that there are things in your past that can haunt you and put you in prison too.
Marcus Wallace, are you threatening me or blackmailing me?
Neither. I want you to take a look at this.
This is a list of operations I've been on. Where did you get this?
The where isn't important. What's important is what is in that document. Redacted information. Operations that were not quote unquote above board. You getting into my organization under false pretense. Changing your name. All of these are illegal if you are aware. I don't think you would want to be in the country if this information gets out. So I'm asking you nicely. Think about what I'm offering.
What are you offering?